At this point of time, we request for the immediate implementation of all precautionary measures.
Kementeri Ketenat Kokot Khñiang Jong Jylla ke Ampareen Lyngdoh ke Arpo Pratrik Jong kalong bag Jingdon Jong Khñiang COVID. Kalong ke bala Tehlakam lupa hak Jylla bagalong ba om yi dak setia ba kandang long kum ka khlam. Habakran sikila patai khubor hadian bag Jylla kala pentep ik jingyap jong wei Brion West Garo Hills nauni Khñiang Jingpang ke Ampareen kalong. Pagtanat kanum penting pensmei ki pajba ke Jylla hendrei ke kentu bagi de benshim ya baru kila jingya dagi badan kam.
One death has occurred. We thought that we should share this with you. At this point of time, we request for the immediate implementation of all precautionary measures. We request the public at large to kindly adhere COVID practices so that we may be able to contain the situation and ensure that it does not become a problem.
Haba jingtip sepangkin nongpang ki badang don hadu mentah Hapoh Jylla ke Ampareen kalong hadu mentahi ki nongpang COVID ki don sangut na East Coast Hills Shipo ngut na West Garo Hills ban ar ngut na West Jylla Hills ki badang la ban Tehlakam.
The cases of COVID as of today stand at 5 in East Coast Hills, 10 in West Garo Hills and 2 in West Jylla Hills. Numbers are well under control.
Kala kenturu ikipaj ba ban bur renti ki kendon ban yeng yele persya uni Khñiang COVID kalau ong ru ba ka Jylla kalong ko bala penkre la dadon kanu nu ko jingja ban kum kipaj ba la dasngo badon kanu nu ko dak sngo sitam kidai ban shim ya kalat ban lej ban pha pe ki la de shushu kala ajimot ikipaj ba ki bajule jingle khamtam ki bawan ki jaka ki bajur ki badon ki bayo opang COVID baki dai ban shim ya baro ki la jingya da.